megalayapost.news.
Kariboy District Cricket Association mentaksi kelapang kuburom ya basas senestun ubabat kumu adwesar hagan association nak benta bentiu ya kami lekai cricket Kariboy berkena gejing kuburom kalongru si benta ban pau ya gejing sarong baka sarkar jela kelajit yu ban longkum menteri sarkar ban bat hadu lightly kita sarkar kata ke community and rural development JAD bat SAD ya kena gejing kuburom lapelong hamadan cricket Kariboy District Cricket Association kebudan Hanokra ha kebala sakilang kajing don kong ronak ndej MDC kenapa presiden ke RBDCA ubat berdiri honorary secretary ke MCA ubat Renal Kargamni vice president ubat Federal Kargamni ubat Michael Karunai general secretary Rubul Ali officer in charge ke traffic dan nopo lembat ke kuide kene kajing kuburom kelong ru ban ai burom yo ne rong ba ubat ya kerdan nong ilam kumu advisor baru ban pau ya kajing kemen bau deru uno mikmat Kariboy ubelai rung sya ke jeli mandan lang hakaken hun ki menteri sarkar nak bentah mensyakri paiba hakan ni distrik bad hak jelai berakwe
ya kajing Soviet ya kajing Champagne ya kajing ya elak kajing i bat keduk lang ya baro utau de uri orang ba utau de ubadeng sotun ubangidon hal kene kopor tena kalian ke jongaru jai ke pila ai kene kalan ke kobu ngasui ke ban ai ke jingkule ke bakapang ye i kum i ta i minister ai bat mai ke long ke jingshan ila du no yang pa jong Kariboy mo kuman suong akine ki can see in this last few days we have lost the father of Kariboy district but now we are getting the uncle of Kariboy district. Yes, he is just like the uncle, he is just like the eldest brother to all of us, not only for the Jirang constituency, but for the entire Kariboy district. I'm so proud of him. Ngasuru ikaban ay kublay hang ne, ya i association kajungi hang ne, I baba Renal Kargamni, iba hagajing yalam kajungi, ngang scam rengkat bat kajing walk kajung pi, kajing don ki players, kajing don jongka management kebabiang lalak ban penulong ya kene kamadan ndai mensyua mano ban pos new ya ke cricket baru we are rushing to football not to cricket but now it seems as if everyone are rushing after the cricket why because in your leadership in your management everyone they have recognized they have seen now we have introduced a new game a national game of Indian that is cricket to our to the sport person of Kariboy district.
Nasoban ay ke jingiro bakraw ka Kariboy Cricket Association under the leadership of Renal Kargamni. With the generosity of this village, I remember the first time I visited here, I never expect that the grass will come out as it is now. It's all with no hope at the time. But due to your dedication, the President, Secretary and all the members, your dedication to the job that you have taken and the dedication that the members have entrusted on you. So I feel that with this beautiful ground which we can see around now, so I hope that maybe we are hoping very much that in future there will be a very good stadium out here coming out. So all these for these happenings, it depends upon you also, my dear boys and girls, all the players. You have a camp out here, you have a camp there in Umsning. And then hopefully we'll be having the camp there in our area also, in my constituency. And I've seen that cricket nowadays, it has attract more and more participants, more and more players. And to tell you frankly, I hate cricket at one stage. But in the later stage of my youth time, I really involved myself in cricket, and not only cricket. I'm involving in football, in basketball, volleyball, hockey, cricket, and then table tennis, badminton. I'm a jack of all trades, but master of none. So we are expecting a lot from you guys, boys and girls. You have the Ribhoi Cricket Association who has taken the initiatives. They're hardworking. It's not for them. They're hardworking, it's for you all. Because they want to see that Ribhoi district will one day get many players to represent our state, to represent our country. So we are hoping, and I'm giving my best wishes. I'm lending my support. Kajing trelang na kaliang chunga bati baro ka association nang ta bati coach ki players baro banya criminal scam ba ka cricket lingba kani kamadan kaban isayo ban say shibun ki players ki bebet ilai menta babun ki players ki ba bet na katika area ka jongiru ina kithan baridwa na kithan kanapara nang ta na kithan parakma bonihat area kidon ki players ki ba Tibet kiba doni kata capacity, and for the fielding side, it's for the bowlers. You have to make full concentration. You have to make full concentration during the time that has been given to you, the 6 ball that you have to concentrate. And for the batting side, it's a matter of 1 ball. It's a matter of 1 ball. You have to fully concentrate. And it's not sport, it's not a game of one day that you can dream for. You have to, every day you have to continue your practice so that you can become a perfect player. So my best wishes to all of you, and my best wishes to the Ribhoi Cricket Association. As always, I'll be with you together to work together for the upliftment of cricket and to the upliftment of sports in our district and the state as a whole.
Meghalaya Post.News